Hey guys, it's Jordy Builds. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Today we're going to go over how to install my top speed adjuster, and I'm going to go over how to install it on a XL cart and a standard cart. It's really the same either way. So what this does is it plugs in between your cart throttle and your controller throttle if you're running a 36 volt or 48 volt Jordy Builds controller, one that I've sold you. And then it has a knob here or a potentiometer, and you can use this to adjust your top speed all the way from 0 mile per hour all the way to whatever your top speed is, whether you're on 36 volt, probably around 18 mile per hour, or 48 volt, probably around 25 mile per hour. And you can adjust that all the way down and anywhere in between. So this is going to be good if you want your kids to learn how to ride a cart, or maybe your girlfriend or whoever. So let's go over the install. So for our standard cart here, you want to make sure that your power is off. And we're going to go ahead and unplug our throttle here. And then this bottom fin is snipped, so it will plug into the top 3 pins of your stock pedal throttle, no problem. The bottom 2 pins aren't necessary. So we just plug it in just like that, and then plug it back into the controller, just like so. And then we have our knob here. So really quick here, you can see this is going to be for the 48 volt controller and the XL. Plugs in the exact same way. So then we'll plug it back into our controller. And then you would just have your adjustment knob here. So let's go ahead and show you how this works. All right guys, so the throttle is all the way pressed and we are going to adjust our knob here. So if we slowly start to turn it up, you'll see us slowly start to move. So you can see we're full throttle right now, but we're barely moving. So this would be great for a kid learning, you know. You can still use the drift bar. And so that's probably about a quarter of the way turned up. We'll go about halfway now. I would say that's probably around stock speed. And then now we're going to go all the way up, and it's just going to be like our normal full 36 volt power. So this is a first person point of view. You can see we're gonna have this turned down here. And we are barely moving, but we are moving. And we'll slowly turn it up here. And we'll turn it up more. You know, we're starting to pick up speed, you can tell obviously. And then we will go all the way. Alright guys, batteries weren't fully charged, but you get the point. So you can adjust this 0 to your top speed, like I said. So if you guys enjoyed the video and like this product, it will be linked in the description. Make sure you like the video, let me know down in the comments what you think. Hope you guys have a great day, and thanks for watching.